how to enable dark mode on every website. First, you want to go to Google. You want to go to this link. I'm going to provide this in the description. And then you want to install this Google extension. It's called Dark Reader. This extension will turn on dark mode on every website. And then once installed, make sure to pin the extension so that it shows on the bar. And then click on the extension. Now this is where you can control like the dark mode, and then this is the normal. This is where you can turn off the extension and then turn it on. So I'm gonna set it to dark mode, and I can also change the brightness, so this will control like how bright. So let's go to a website, let's say Wikipedia, and then I'll just enter a website, and then I'm gonna click over here, and then I can adjust the brightness. This will show like how bright the website gets, and this is also for contrast, if just to make it more readable. So this is, I would say this is much better, and this will be applied on each and every page and each and every website on the browser. And if you want to turn it off, just click on the off button. That's it for the video. If you find this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.